motorhome is powered by an internal leisure battery, controlled by the panel found above the fridge. The button in the top left turns the control panel on and off. The button below turns on the lights above the cab. For all the other lights, there are switches dotted around. You can refer to the vehicle manual for their locations. In the bottom left is your water pump. This needs to be on for your taps, shower and toilet flush to work. Turn it off when not in use or when leaving the motorhome unattended. The button in the top right of the panel turns on the exterior awning light. Below that is where you check your various levels. Push once to see the leisure battery. It will also be indicated on the LED gauge beneath the display. Push twice to see your vehicle battery. A third time brings up your fresh and wastewater levels. Once more to choose between the leisure and vehicle batteries, and the final time to adjust the clock on the display. The last button in the bottom right is the select button, used to select options or to change settings. Please note that the leisure battery will not power the 3-pin plug sockets. In order for the 3-pin plug sockets to work, you'll need to be connected to mains power via electric hookup or a generator.